Start. Good morning, children. Rohana ma'am here once again. I'll be just taking the class in continuation to what I left off last WhatsApp video class that I had left up. I started with the first Unit 1 lesson on Raksha Bandhan. I told you how Raksha Bandhan started, what was the story behind it. I had read out the story to you and I told you about that. And I told you that when you come back to class, I'll be showing you what a Rakhi looks like. So still taking time for school to open. So Rohana Miss has bought a small Rakhi here for you all to see. See this? You all can see this? You can see the silk strands out here with a small thing in the middle. This is a kind of a tie that a sister ties on the brother's hand on Raksha Bandhan. So this is the thing what a sister will tie with the she brings the Rakhi on a plate with the plate filled with lamps and all the sweets and all that stuff, and this is tied on the brother's wrist, like this it is tied on the brother's wrist, and then the brother promises to protect the sister forever. So that is this thread, you can say this Rakhi is like a protection, a tie of protection. The brother promises to protect the sister, and the sister shows her love and affection towards the brother. So in this lesson, basically what I had told you last time, I had given you 5 words meanings which you all had written and sent it to me. But today I will only give you these 10 dictation words. The first word is affection, A-F-F-E-C-T-I-O-N, affection. Affection, like I told you, the meaning last time was either love or like. Affection means love or like, affection. These dictation words which will be focused on during the WhatsApp class, you'll have to write these words down 5 times and study it. 5 times in your notebook, you can write it down and send the picture to me to check up in WhatsApp, but you all even have to learn these spellings. Affection, celebrate. Like I already explained earlier in the class, you all celebrate festivals. The national festivals are celebrated. The Indian festivals are celebrated. Everyone has one particular festival. Like you small children might be having your birthday to celebrate. So celebrate. C-E-L-E-B-R-A-T-E, celebrate. Again, protect. What did I tell? I told you all that brother promises to protect his sister in all the situations in the same manner. Protect means to save somebody, to try to save someone, or you feel like no harm should come to that person. So you protect that person from situations. Protect. Aarti. Aarti already I explained last time. It's a plate in which you keep diyas, tiny lamps and sweets and all that, and you do puja in front of any idols or any god or goddesses in your house or whatever. When you take that's the way you take an aarti. That's a plate decorated to take worship someone or the god or goddesses in your house. Then raksha means actually the same word like protect, but it's actually a Hindi word, but in the book it's mentioned as R-A-K-S-H-A, means raksha. Raksha is actually a Hindi word, the Hindi version of protect. So that is nothing, just you have to learn the word raksha. Shravana is the month in which this Raksha Bandhan is celebrated. Shravan is a month in which Raksha Bandhan, so it's called as Shravana. The name of that month is Shravana. S-H-R-A-V-A-N-A. So Shravana. Rakhi, like I already told you, it's a tie which the sister ties on the brother's wrist. It's called as Rakhi. Next is symbol. Symbol means you can symbol. You have your school has a particular logo. Your shoes, if you wear Nike shoes, you wear everything has a logo or a symbol to denote it to that particular stuff. Like symbol, it can be a brand. You can say it like it can be a brand. It symbolizes something. When you look at this, you remember, okay, fine, this is this thing. Like everyone knows about what you call, you have these ice creams. You have ice creams, like you can say cone ice cream is there, Vadilal ice creams are there. These are all symbols which you recognize with, you combine it to some stuff. Symbols. Strengthen means to be, you have strength. It strengthens the bond between a brother and sister. It strengthens the tie of certain things like that. So strengthen means you become strong. It's strong. It's a strong thing. It will not break. Secure, again, secure is a thing where something is safe. It can't be broken into, it's tight and safe. So that means secure. S-E-C-U-R-E. So children, these are simple words that you come across in your lesson. In the first unit, you just have to write them five times and study it. And after writing 5 times, you send it to me on my WhatsApp number. I will check it. And once school opens, I will definitely be giving you a dictation test. And in that time, you will have to write these words write these words physically in front of me and let me know how many of you all have studied it. So for the present, for the WhatsApp class, these 10 words have to be written 5 times and studied it at home. That's all. That's the end. Thank you, children.